Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID password. For this, we want to open Settings. So, click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you can see there are a lot of options available right here. But we will click on the top button where your name or Apple ID is written. So, click on it. After clicking, a lot of options will appear in front of you, and your Apple ID profile will open. Here, we will click on Sign In and Security. So, click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will open in front of you. In this format, we want to just click on Change Password. After clicking on Change Password, that kind of format will open in front of you. Once it's open, you will just write your previous password. After writing the previous password, a new tab will start to open where we will just write the new password. And for verification, write the new password again. After writing and filling both rows of the password, go to the upper right corner of your mobile screen and just click on Change. After clicking, your password will be changed in a few seconds. After loading, your password is now changed. That's the way to change your Apple ID password. Thank you for watching this video.